In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check for updates in Microsoft Outlook. Keeping your software up to date is critical for both performance and security reasons. With regular updates, you get the latest features and functionality, all while ensuring your information is protected with the most recent security patches. So, let's dive into the process of checking for updates in Microsoft Outlook. This tutorial will walk you through the steps with clarity and precision. First, you'll need to open your Outlook app. This might seem like a no-brainer, but it's an essential starting point for accessing all the settings we need to explore. Once you've opened Outlook, locate the control panel, typically found in the upper right corner of your screen. This is where you'll find the cog or gear icon, classically representing settings. Click on that icon to proceed. Afterward, you will navigate to the General section within the Settings menu. The General tab acts like a hub from where you can access various options related to your Outlook settings broadly. Clicking on General is your pathway to gain deeper insights into the workings of your Outlook application and personalize your experience. Next, within the options available in the General section, you'll spot About Outlook. Clicking on About Outlook opens a new window or menu. This section not only provides you with important information about your current Outlook version, but also usually has the option to check for the latest updates. Now, it's time to verify which version of Outlook you're currently working with. The version information is crucial as it helps determine if your app is up to date or if it misses out on recent tweaks and additions. This version data might be accompanied by a Check for Updates prompt or button. If available, clicking this button will lead the app to automatically check for the latest updates online. In most cases, if an update is available, you'll see a prompt that guides you through downloading and installing the update. Simply follow the on-screen instructions. They are generally straightforward and easy to follow. It's a great practice to ensure that your app runs the latest version, which secures enhanced performance and accessibility to all available features. However, it's important to have a stable internet connection while performing these steps. Without it, the process might be delayed or not initiate at all, interrupting your workflow. Also, if you face any issues like slow updates or error messages, consider reaching out to the Microsoft support page for assistance. And there you have it, a simple yet detailed guide to checking for updates in Microsoft Outlook. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your Outlook app remains up to date, keeping your communication efficient and your data secure. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next guide.